Hey, third grade. I'm going to talk to you right now about our math lesson, which is 8.8, and it will be on page 135 and 136. Okay, and we're going to talk about using facts to solve problems. All right, I'm going to read a problem to you, and I want you to listen to the problem. Marla loves pears and buys them from the grocery store on sale. She spends 72 cents on 8 pears. How much does each pear cost? Okay, first of all, we're not going to work the problem to answer the question. We're just going to pick out the facts that we need to solve the problem. There's some information in that word problem, as with some other word problems that we've worked before, that's not necessary information to solve the problem. So we're going to try to find what is necessary to solve the problem. Okay, so the part that is not necessary to solve the problem would be that Marla loves pears. We do not need to know that Marla loves pears to be able to solve this problem. Okay, what is necessary, what facts that we have to solve this problem, we have to know that she spends a total of 72 cents on 8 pears. And what are we trying to find out? We're trying to find out how much each pear cost. Okay, so we have to decide what order of operation we're going to use. And in this one, we would use division. We would have 72 divided by 8. That's how we would set up this problem. Okay, we're going to now look. I'm going to turn you over in just a minute, and we're going to look at page 135. So get page 135 out, lesson 8.8, and we're going to work a few word problems where we use facts to solve the problems. Let me turn you around. Okay, so the first problem says, there are 6 baskets with 8 strawberries in each. How many strawberries are in all? So that is all information that I need to know, facts that I need to know to solve the problem. So I'm going to use the numbers. I know I'm going to use the numbers 6 and 8, and I'm trying to find out how many there are in all. So I would say 6 times 8 equals what? What is 6 times 8? That's correct. 6 times 8 is 48. Now, if we look at problem 2, we have a store has 56 hats. The same number are on 7 shelves. How many hats are on each shelf? Okay, so I'm trying to find out how many hats are on each shelf. So I'm going to take 56 and I'm going to divide 56 by 7. What is 56 divided by 7? If you said 8, you're right. Now we're going to look at number 3. There are 40 rose bushes. They are planted in 8 rows. How many rows of rose bushes are there? I'm going to take one of my numbers that I know, which is 40, and I'm going to set up my problem using division, and I'm going to divide by 8, and that would be 5. Okay? All right. Now, we've done problems 1, 2, and 3 together, and you're going to work on completing problems 4, 5, and 6 on that page, and then we're going to flip over to the back now to page 136, and we're going to work one of those problems on page 136. Okay, so number 1 on 136, we're going to write an equation to solve the problem. A toonie is a Canadian coin that is worth $2. How much money are 8 toonies worth? Okay, so I know that it's a Canadian coin, I don't have to know that information, but I have to know how much the coin is worth. The coin is worth $2, and I need to know how much 8 are worth. So I'm going to take 8 times 2, and that's going to be what? That's correct, 16. And then you're going to work on the back of the page, on page 136, you're going to work problems 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You are not going to do problem 6. Good luck.